How to switch between the dark and the light mode in your Microsoft Teams interface. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can switch between dark and light mode in your Microsoft Teams application for Windows. So in order to start, the first thing that you're going to do is simply click over to these three dots which are present over the top right corner of your Microsoft Teams windows. These three dots stands for settings and more. So simply click onto this, and from here you can click onto settings option, or apart from that you can also choose to press the control and the comma key, which will directly lead you to this particular page, that is the settings page. Now within the settings you need to click onto this appearance tab, and under the appearance you can see the theme. This will apply to all your Teams apps. So from here you can simply go to this drop down arrow and you have four different options. The first one is to follow the operating system's theme. So if your Windows is in dark mode, it will automatically turn to dark mode. Or if you want the light theme, you can simply click onto this light option, or you may also choose the dark theme by clicking onto dark option. And also you have the high contrast theme as well if you want to prefer a high contrast theme. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.